everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as promised, I will be sharing with you my current natural hair products that I've been using for the last 3 to 4 months. So if you're interested, then keep watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm really happy that you popped by and I hope you stick around to watch more videos. If you do like my content, then please subscribe to my channel, as well as if you're new or old subscriber, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of whenever I post new content. So let's get straight into this video. So during the quarantine period, I wasn't able to get access to my usual hair products because my local beauty supply store was closed and I only have one in the city that I live in. So I decided to venture out into Boots and Superdrug, which are two really big drug stores or beauty supply stores here in England, and I tried out some new products. And one of the companies that I decided to try out would have been Shea Moisture. Many years ago, when I first went natural, I tried the raw Shea Butter line, which really didn't work for my hair. But they had other product lines from Shea Moisture that I decided to try out, and they have been working really well on my hair. So I've continued to use these products for the last 3 or 4 months. Now I know a lot of you have decided not to use Shea Moisture any longer because of a really bad press situation that they had a couple of years back. What I would say is that if you do use the products and they work for you, then keep on using them. Here in England, we don't really have a wide variety of natural hair products or even hair products. So when I do find things that work for my hair, then I just keep sticking with it and I keep moving on. So first I'm going to go through what I've been using to cleanse my hair, and there are 2 shampoos that I've been using. One is the Shea Moisture Superfruit Complex 10-in-1 Multi-Benefit Shampoo with marula oil and biotin. This promises to cleanse and nourish your hair. It's sulfate free and it also is color safe. This is a very gentle shampoo. I love it because it doesn't make my hair feel very stripped, but on the other end it does feel as though my hair is well cleansed when I use this. I also have been using the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. I only use this when I'm using this line for a protein treatment. So if I'm going to be using a protein deconditioning treatment on that particular wash day, then I would use the entire line of this product. So the shampoo, the deep conditioner and the leave-in conditioner. So next up will be my rinse out conditioners, and I have the 2 conditioners to match the shampoos that I've mentioned previously. So we have the Superfruit Complex Multi-Benefit Conditioner. I really love this conditioner. This rinse out conditioner is too good to even rinse out. I love how soft and hydrated it makes my hair feel. You know, sometimes I'll leave it in for like 15 minutes or even go on the steamer of this and add some oils to this to basically help to soften up my hair and detangle my hair, and then I rinse it out and go in with a deep conditioner. This entire line specifically, my hair absolutely loves it. I really do hope they never discontinue this because my hair really responds very well to the 3 products that I've purchased from this line so far. So this is one of my faves. And to go with the Hydrate and Repair shampoo, I have the Shea Moisture's Hydrate and Repair Conditioner. This is a very thick conditioner. Also a rinse out conditioner, slightly thicker than the one that I've mentioned previously. Doesn't have as much slip as I would like. So I don't detangle with this in my hair, but when I rinse it out, it does feel nice and hydrated, and it does feel a bit stronger in terms of the elasticity of my hair when I rinse it out. I also have the Shea Moisture's Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. This is Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. This entire line, as well as the Superfruit Complex line. These 2 lines in particular, my hair really loves. Love this conditioner. I think those are the 3 rinse out conditioners that I've been using very regularly over these last couple of months. Moving on to the best part of wash day for me, and that will be the deep conditioning treatments or hair mask. I love this type of product because it really helps to infuse the moisture back into my hair strands on wash day and allows me to retain moisture well throughout the week. So in terms of hair mask, I have the Superfruit Complex 10-in-1 Multi-Benefit Hair Mask. Like I've mentioned, this entire product line from Shea Moisture is my absolute favorite. This mask leaves my hair so hydrated, like absolutely hydrated. Very soft, it melts away tangles from my hair. I absolutely love it. And the smell itself from the line, it does have that fragrant, perfumey scent, but I don't mind it because, as you guys know, I love my hair to smell good. Then I have the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. This product is also one of my favorites. It works really well on my hair. When my hair feels as though it needs some moisture and some strengthening, I use this product. Really, really good. And to go with the Hydrate and Repair line, I also have their Power Protein Treatment. The only thing I don't like about this product is that it comes in a very small container, and as you can see, this isn't going to last very long. Even for this, I've only had about 2 uses out of this so far, and what's left in here isn't going to be for a full head. So I really wish they made a bigger container for this. So this is the protein treatment that I use solely when my hair needs a bit more strengthening, and I only do a protein treatment probably every 6 to 8 weeks basically, and I really love this product so far. The main leave-in conditioner I have been using for the last 4 months, 3 to 4 months, would be the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This product is the truth. I have not found a leave-in conditioner. I know you guys know I used to read about the Beautiful Textures leave-in conditioner. This product right here is absolutely amazing. I solely use this product in my hair most of the time without adding a styling product, and my hair would retain moisture. So I really love it. It's very thick, very creamy, very, very moisturizing, and I really, really love this. A little goes a long way. It comes in a very big jar, so 454 grams. This can last me for at least a month and a half, 2 months tops, honestly, because a little really does go a long way. Now I'm going to move on to my stylers. So for styling my hair, I basically have been using my usual tried and true Eco Styler gel. I love the green Eco Styler gel, which is the olive oil one, and the red one, which I don't have at the moment because I've ran out, the argan oil one. Those are the 2 Eco Styler gels that I love to style my hair. Usually I just use this for putting my hair up in a bun. Everyone knows I love my buns. If I want to slick my edges back, or if I want to do a wash and go, I would use this. And the other styling product I have been using would be, the other 2 styling products I've been using would be the Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, as well as the Gel Souflee. I've run out of that one, so I can't show you it. But these 2 products, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie is very creamy type of consistency, very moisturizing, and it has a very light hold. So if you want something with a thicker, with a stronger hold, I wouldn't recommend this. But if you want something that's moisturizing, that is a styling product as well, and really good for soft holds for wash and go. If you don't like that crunchy feeling, I would recommend this, as well as the Gel Souflee. I'll insert a picture there so you can see what that looks like. So these are the 3 products, the Gel Souflee, this, and the Eco Styler gel. That's basically what I've been using to style my hair during these lockdown months, and that's it. In terms of my oils, I have a number of oils. I think about 4 oils that I use regularly. I use olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. Those are my 4 main oils that I use on my natural hair, and I've been using those for basically majority of my journey, and it haven't changed. So you don't have to spend a lot of money on oils. I go out and I go to the supermarket and I just pick up the organic versions of the oil. Sometimes I will pick up just the supermarket brand. So I use the extra virgin olive oil from Tesco's. This is really, really cheap, only about £2.50, and lasts a very long time. I also have the extra virgin avocado cold press oil from Tesco's as well. I love avocado oil so much. I love it so much. I use this for pre-pooing, for sealing. These 2 oils mixed together. You can use it for a treatment, a hot oil treatment. Excellent oils. And then I have my sealant oil, which is the Jamaican black castor oil, and I use the mango and lime line for this. This is a very heavy oil, so always go easy on this if you're going to try this out, because it's very thick, and if you have fine strands or low porosity hair, you can have a lot of product buildup if you use too much of this, so use this very sparingly. I add this to my edges usually, or I seal in with a little bit of this, literally just half a teaspoon for my whole head when I want to retain moisture a bit longer. And lastly but not least, we have coconut oil, which many people either love it or hate it. I only use this through the summer months because in the winter months this can actually freeze on your hair because it's going to turn back to solid. So I use this during the summer months, and I love this for pre-shampooing my hair, as a pre-shampoo treatment, sorry, because it helps to prevent high growth fatigue. So these are basically all the hair products that I've been using on my hair for the last 5 months. Actually, the last thing would be my water. So I have a spray bottle with water, and I usually just spray my hair daily just to give it a bit of a mist to add that moisture. Moisture is life, water is life, so make sure you have a spray bottle. Right, so guys, we've come to the end of the video, and if you have managed to come to the end of the video, well done, because most people tend to click off, especially for talking videos. But thank you so much for sticking through. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, share this video with your friends, as well as subscribe and put on that notification bell. And also drop in the comments below if you tried any of these product lines, if they worked for you, if they didn't. Share any knowledge of any leave-in conditioners or deep conditioners that you guys have tried that are really good, because I am on the hunt for some more leave-in conditioners as well as deep conditioners or hair masks. So if you have any recommendations of things that I should try out, then drop me a comment down below so I will be able to know, as well as my subscribers, other products that could potentially work for our hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and as always, stay safe.